Good morning, students. Welcome to your moral science class. Now, children, we have finished lesson number 6. Now, we'll do lesson number 7. Rob the big-eared rat. Now, this lesson is based on a story of eavesdropping. Eavesdropping means जब हम किसी की बात छुप के सुनते हैं, that is eavesdropping. जब किसी की बात हम छुप छुप के सुनते हैं, that is eavesdropping. So there was a rat, his name was Rob, and he used to listen to his parents' conversation quietly. छुपके वो अपने पेरेंट्स की बात सुनता था. One day his mother noticed that Rob is standing behind them and listening to their conversation. एक दिन उसकी मदर ने नोटिस कर लिया कि वो उनके पीछे खड़े होकर उनकी बात सुन रहा है. तो उन्होंने एक्टिंग की दैट ही इज टॉकिंग, दैट ही इज लिसनिंग एंड हिज ईयर्स आर ग्रोइंग बिग. उन्होंने उसके फादर से बोला कि रॉब के ईयर्स आजकल बहुत बड़े हो रहे हैं, मुझे लग रहा है, बिकॉज वो बातें हमारी सुनता है छुप छुप के, इसलिए उसके ईयर्स लॉन्ग हो रहे हैं. तो उसके फादर भी समझ गए और उन्होंने कहा यस, इसीलिए उसके ईयर्स जो है लॉन्ग हो रहे हैं, बिग हो रहे हैं. तो रॉब जो था वो डर गया. फिर उसने उसके बाद कभी भी उनकी बातें नहीं सुनी. फिर उसकी मदर ने भी बोला उसको कि योर ईयर्स हैव ग्रोन स्मॉल, अब तुम्हारे ईयर्स स्मॉल हो गए हैं. हाँ, तो फिर वो उसके बाद उसने कभी भी उनकी बातें छुप के नहीं सुनी. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ वी विल रीड द लेसन इन द बुक, पेज नंबर 32 in your moral science book. Take out your moral science books. Now lesson number 7, Rob the big-eared rat. Know this. This is about curiosity. Curiosity means eager to listen, eager to know. किसी की बात को हमें कुछ नॉलेज ज़्यादा मांगना या किसी के बारे में जानना, that is curiosity. Listen to others' conversation is rude. We should not listen to others' conversation. It is rude. It is called eavesdropping. It is called eavesdropping. Look at Mama Mouse children hiding around the room to eavesdrop. Find 6 of them and circle them. Now, there is a mouse. It is eavesdropping, and there are 6 mouse you can see which are eavesdropping. One is on the fan. One is on the shelf. The third one is in the vase. Fourth one is under the table. Fifth one is behind the window. And sixth one is behind the curtains. So जिनको बात सुनना होती है, eavesdrop करना होता है, वो कहीं भी छुप छुप के बातें सुनते हैं. But it is not good. It is a bad habit. Okay, now we will read the story. Rob was a nosy rat. He lived with his father and mother in a hole. He loved to hear their conversation. So Rob was a nosy rat. He had a long nose and he lived with his parents in a hole. And he loved to listen to his parents' conversation. अपनी parents की conversation वो चुप के सुनता था, eavesdrop करता था. So Rob would hide behind the sofa to hear what they spoke. He would also stand behind the curtains to listen to them. वो सोफ़ा के पीछे छुप के सुनता था, हाँ, फिर कर्टन्स के पीछे छुप के सुनता था. And he used to eavesdrop. One day Rob saw his parents sitting and talking. They were drinking tea. Rob stood quietly in a corner. Rob saw his parents sitting and talking, and they were drinking tea. So Rob stood behind them. You can see here, he stood behind them and he started listening to their conversation. He did not know that his mother had seen that he was hiding and listening to them. His mother had noticed that she had seen him, and she knew that Rob was listening to them. So she said to his father, उन्होंने उसके फादर से बोला, I think Rob's ears are becoming bigger and bigger. उन्होंने बोला रॉब के ears जो है बिगर क्यों हो रहे हैं. Rob got scared. रॉब डर गया. She continued. फिर वो बोलती रही, He is always listening to others' talks. वो हमेशा दूसरों की बातें सुनता है. That's why his ears are growing big. Rob's father understood that his mother wanted to teach him a lesson. Rob touched his ears. अब रॉब ने अपने ears को टच करा तो उसको बिग लगी. Yes, they seemed very big. He went away. वहाँ से चला गया. He did not hide behind the sofa to hear what they spoke that day. He did not stand behind the curtain too. उसके बाद उसने उनके eavesdropping नहीं करी. The next day his grandma came home. Rob, what tiny good ears you have. Yesterday they seemed so big in size, she said. Rob touched his ears again. Yes, they seemed to be tiny. Now his grandma came to his house next day, and she also said that, Rob, your ears are tiny, looking tiny. Yesterday they seemed so big in size. Yesterday, कल वो बहुत बड़े लग रहे थे. So Rob touched his ears. उसने अपने ears को touch करा तो उसको भी वो tiny दिखे, छोटे दिखे. He was glad. After that day, he never stood anywhere to listen to others' talks. He never came to know that his mother had told his grandma of the plan. So he was glad. अब वो बहुत खुश था कि उसने उसके बाद कभी भी eavesdrop नहीं करा, दूसरों की बातें नहीं सुनी और उसको पता नहीं था कि उसकी मदर ने ग्रैंडमा को भी प्लान बता दिया है एंड हिज ग्रैंडमा न्यू एवरीथिंग. Okay, now we must not listen to others' talks. Sometimes others are talking about things that we do not understand or they do not want us to know. Often we hear complaints about us if we eavesdrop. Let us not be curious to know what others are talking. It is a rude thing to do. So we should not eavesdrop because it is a bad habit. Okay. Now there is a poem. You will recite this poem. Okay. Got it? Okay, children, we'll do the exercise. You have to find the words in the story that tell you that Rob was wrong to listen to others talking. So in the story we have read that he hid behind the sofa to eavesdrop, to listen to others talking. So second one is behind the curtains. He hid behind the curtains. Stood quietly in a corner. He hid under the table to listen to others talking. Okay. Write this in your book neatly and learn. Now here you have to join the dots. Join the dots like this. Okay. Now the rat that has the longest ears is Rob. So you will join. और जिसके सबसे long ears हैं उस पर आप लिखेंगे Rob. R-O-B. Rob. Okay. Join all the dots and find out which is Rob. Okay. Do this. Then we'll meet in the next class with the next lesson. Okay. Have a nice day.